Hello everyone, welcome to Drawleaper channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to lock Telegram using password. Now the first thing you have to do is open Telegram. From here tap on this icon, then go to settings. From here go to privacy and security. Now from here tap on passcode lock, then tap on enable passcode. Now from here create a 4-digit password, then re-enter your password. Now your password lock is enabled. From here you can change your password. Now if you enable the settings, now you can unlock your Telegram using fingerprint, and from here you can change your auto lock time. You can select 5 minutes or disable or 1 minute. If I select 1 minute, then tap on done. Now if I close Telegram, now you have to open your Telegram after 1 minute, and after 1 minute if I open Telegram, now you can see password lock is enabled. Now just enter your password and it's unlocked. If you want to lock your Telegram again, just tap here and it's locked. You can also unlock Telegram using your fingerprint sensor. Now just tap here, then scan your fingerprint and it's unlocked. And that is how you can lock Telegram using password. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.